Have you ever wondered why killer whales, despite their fearsome name, are often the stars of marine park shows? Well, there's more to these majestic creatures than meets the eye. These enigmatic inhabitants of the deep, commonly known as killer whales, possess a unique blend of intrigue and fascination that has captivated humanity for centuries. Killer whales, or orcas as they're scientifically called, are the largest species of the dolphin family. They've earned their reputation as one of the ocean's most formidable predators, capable of hunting anything from fish to seals, even other whales. Yet, they are also the charismatic stars of marine park shows, performing acrobatics for delighted crowds. This dichotomy may seem puzzling. How can a creature be both feared and adored? The answer lies in their complex nature. These animals are not just predators, they are intelligent, social, and incredibly skilled hunters. Qualities that make them as captivating as they are terrifying. Orcas are gifted with high intelligence, rivaling that of primates. They possess a sophisticated level of self-awareness, problem-solving abilities, and even culture, with unique behaviors and hunting techniques passed down through generations. Their social structure is another marvel. With strong family bonds and intricate communication systems, they live in closely knit matrilineal groups, led by females, showcasing a social hierarchy rarely seen in the animal kingdom. And let's not forget their hunting techniques. Orcas are known for their strategic prowess and teamwork, often coordinating their actions to trap their prey, displaying a level of cooperation and coordination that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. So, you see, killer whales are more than just their common name implies. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life in our oceans, a perfect blend of power, intelligence, and social sophistication. But we've only just scratched the surface. There's so much more to learn about these fascinating creatures. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of these enigmatic creatures, the killer whales. Did you know that killer whale is actually a misnomer? Yes, these majestic creatures of the deep have been saddled with a name that doesn't quite do them justice. The term killer whale is a mistranslation of their original name from Spanish sailors, whale killer. These seafarers observed the orcas hunting larger whale species in groups, and were so impressed by their prowess that they named them asesina balenas, which literally translates to whale killers. However, over time the two words swapped places in translation, and the term killer whale was born. Now let's delve into the scientific name of these marine marvels, Orcinus orca. This name comes from Roman mythology, where Orcinus means of the kingdom of the dead, and orca translates to a kind of whale. The Romans believed Orcus, the god of the underworld, used these creatures to carry souls into the afterlife. A bit grim, don't you think? But it does add a touch of mystique to these incredible creatures. Understanding their place in the ocean food chain is key to appreciating why the term killer whale might be a bit off the mark. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they sit at the very top of the food chain. They are known to eat seals, sea lions, and even other whales. But contrary to their name, orcas do not kill indiscriminately. Their hunting is a carefully orchestrated event, designed to ensure the survival of their pod and maintain the balance of the marine ecosystem. So while the term killer whale has stuck, it's clear that it doesn't quite capture the true essence of these magnificent creatures. They are powerful indeed, but they are also intelligent, complex, and crucial to the health of our oceans. Ironically, the whale killer is not so much a killer, but a vital player in the ecosystem's balance. What's more impressive than a killer whale's strength? Its intelligence. Killer whales, or orcas as they're also known, are not just brawny beasts of the sea. They're brainy too. You see, the brain of an orca is 4 times larger than a human's. That's right, 4 times. And it's not just about size. The structure of their brain, especially the part known as the neocortex, is incredibly complex. This is the area responsible for problem-solving, social interaction, and even consciousness. But that's not all. These cerebral cetaceans have shown remarkable problem-solving abilities. They've been observed using rocks to break open shellfish, and even creating waves to knock seals off ice floes. That's right, they use tools and tactics, displaying a level of strategic thinking that's truly awe-inspiring. And let's not forget about their sophisticated hunting techniques. Killer whales are known for their coordinated hunting strategies, often working together in pods to corral and capture their prey. This isn't blind luck, folks. It's calculated, it's deliberate, and it's a clear demonstration of their intelligence. Now imagine navigating the vast dark depths of the ocean. Sounds daunting, right? Well, not for our brainy orcas. They use echolocation, a biological sonar, to find their way through the murky waters and locate prey. By emitting a series of clicks and listening for the echoes, they can determine the location, size, and even the speed of objects around them. This remarkable combination of brains and brawn has made the killer whale one of the most successful predators in the world's oceans. They can adapt to a wide range of environments, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the warmer seas near the equator. Indeed, the killer whale's intelligence is a testament to their survival in the vast and challenging ocean environment. From their problem-solving skills to their hunting tactics and their use of echolocation, these creatures are a fascinating blend of power and intellect, a true marvel of nature. Killer whales are not solitary creatures, they are social giants. Delving into the social structure of killer whales, we encounter a fascinating matriarchal society. The matriarchs, typically older females, are the navigators, the decision-makers, the keepers of wisdom. They guide their families with the knowledge they've accumulated over their long lives, often spanning up to 100 years. In killer whale pods, familial ties are not fleeting but lifelong. Pups are not sent off into the wilderness to fend for themselves. Instead, they remain with their mothers, forming a tight-knit unit that stays together through thick and thin. It's a bond that goes beyond mere survival, transcending into a realm of deep emotional connection. In fact, male killer whales in particular can stay with their mothers for their entire lives, a trait so rare it's only seen in a handful of species worldwide. But what's a society without communication? Killer whales have developed an intricate language of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls that echo under the sea. Each pod has its unique dialect, a linguistic badge of identity that distinguishes them from other pods. It's a rich tapestry of sound that facilitates cooperation, hunting strategies, and social interactions. Interestingly, these dialects are not innate but learned, passed down through generations, much like human languages. This cultural transmission of knowledge is a testament to their remarkable intelligence and social complexity. Moreover, killer whales display a range of behaviors that signal social bonding and cooperation. They're often seen breaching, spy-hopping, and lobtailing in unison, a kind of aquatic ballet that reinforces their social bonds. They share their meals, look after each other's young, and even support sick or injured members, showcasing a level of empathy and altruism that rivals our own. Killer whales are indeed social giants, living in complex societies marked by matriarchal leadership, lifelong familial bonds, and sophisticated communication systems. These social bonds and complex communication systems are what make killer whale society so intriguing. So, what have we learned about the enigmatic killer whales? Well, quite a bit actually. Let's take a moment to recap the fascinating journey we've been on. We began by delving into the intriguing misnomer of killer whale. Despite their ominous name, these creatures are actually the largest dolphins in existence. The term killer whale is a bit of a miscommunication, originating from ancient mariners who referred to them as whale killers due to their predation on other whales and large marine species. This brings us to the role of killer whales as apex predators. Their impressive size, combined with their strength and speed, place them at the top of the food chain, influencing the behavior and population of their prey and thus shaping the ecosystem around them. From the frigid waters of the Arctic to the warm seas of the tropics, their presence is felt throughout the world's oceans. Yet, it's not just brawn that defines these marine giants, but also brains. Killer whales are incredibly intelligent creatures. They have the second largest brain of all marine mammals and demonstrate complex behaviors such as tool use and cooperative hunting. Their intelligence is a key factor in their adaptability, enabling them to thrive in a variety of oceanic environments. Lastly, we examined the social structure of killer whales. They live in tight-knit family groups known as pods, with strong bonds between members. Their complex vocalizations and behaviors suggest a rich social life, with culture and traditions passed down through generations. So to summarize, these powerful creatures are more than what meets the eye. They are not just killers, but also intelligent social beings that contribute significantly to the balance of marine life. As we've discovered, killer whales are more than just their fearsome name suggests. They're intelligent social creatures that play a vital role in our oceans.